Welcome to the course Writing Production-Ready ETL Pipelines in Python using Pandas. My name is Jan Schwarzlose and I will guide you through the course. I already have several years of professional experience as a data engineer, after having dealt with Python and the processing of small to large amounts of data as a hobby for a long time. Over the years, I have been involved in numerous industrial projects for small, large and big data. These were in the classic data warehouse area with relational databases and in the data engineering environment with data lakes and modern big data tools. Like this, I could get profound knowledge and project experience with Python and Pandas. The goal of this course is to write an ETL pipeline in Python Pandas that will be ready to be used in a production environment. We are going to implement best practices for coding in Python and executing robust ETL jobs. The production environment we are going to use consists of a GitHub code repository, a Docker Hub image repository, an execution platform such as Kubernetes, and an orchestration tool such as the container-native Kubernetes workflow engine Argo Workflows or Apache Airflow. The ETL pipeline we are going to create will extract data from one AWS S3 bucket as source, apply transformations, and load the transformed data to another AWS S3 bucket as target. In this course, you will learn each step to write an ETL pipeline in Python from scratch to production. You will learn how to use the necessary tools and packages such as Python 3.9, Jupyter Notebook, Git and GitHub, Visual Studio Code, Docker and Docker Hub, and the Python packages Pandas, Boto3, PyYAML, AWS CLI, Jupyter, Pyland, Moto, Coverage, and the memory profiler. You will also be able to apply functional and object-oriented programming and understand the two different approaches in the data engineering field. Furthermore, you will learn how to do a proper code design, how to use a meta file for job control, and you're going to learn best practices in developing Python code such as design principles, clean coding, virtual environments, project and folder setup, configuration, logging, exception handling, linting, dependency management, performance tuning with profiling, unit testing, integration testing, and Dockerization. Udemy may ask you to rate the course fairly early. If you think it is too early to evaluate, I would encourage you to spend more time on the course to get a better impression and finally to evaluate the course as soon as you are sure. If you like the course, please give me a good rating that will help keep the course going. So I wish you a lot of fun and success with my course.